ICSN Dioma, Igbo Cultural and Support Network, Leaders of Tomorrow.
Nwanne kekwan.
Ọ dị mma.
Ka ebi na-aga.
Ana m aga ICSN.
Ogini ka ije ebe ahụ.
Now the song. Ka ije mụta asụsụ Igbo. Well, man, ana m eje mụta asụsụ Igbo, man.
Okay, ka anyị gaa nụ.
I Ga Nu, 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 ole ebe anyị na-aga anyị na-aga ICSN wa ogini ka ụnọ gaje eme anyị ga-aga mụta asụsụ Igbo anyị ga Ga Nu, I 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 Ga Nu, ole ebe anyị na-aga ICSN wa ogini ka ụnọ gaje eme anyị ga-aga mụta asụsụ Igbo anyị ga
Igbo amaka, Igbo amalụ mmarị nne, mba ọbụla na-asụ n'onu n'onu. Ọ dị mkpa na ụmụaka anyị maara asụ Igbo, maka na fa nọdị ebe ọbụla a na-asụ Igbo. Fa amaghị ya asụ, fa ma enwenwu ike ịghọta ife a na-ekwu, fa ma enwenwu ike itinye onwe fa isonye na nkata a na-akpa. Ọ dịka na-elefa ele n'ebe afọ. A na-enwere ike ikwu ajọ okwu maka fa ama na ikwuru ajọ okwu maka fa.
Ụmụ Igbo ọ mụtalụ nwa sụọlụ nwa ya Igbo, memụtalụ n'obodo oyibo, memụtalụ n'ala Igbo, gbakene mbọ ka ịsụọlụ nwa ya Igbo. Kụzikere nwa anyị ka esi asụ Igbo, maka na Igbo asọka. Igbo na-asọ m n'ome, maka na ọ na-abụ ọnwa ka ife si wee dịlị isolu nwa ya asụsụ n'Igbo o wee na-aghọta ife dị.
Come on. Help me out. Cha-cha-cha Igbo Queen! Hey! Queen! Wilson! Queen!
Ewo, kedu? Ọ dị mma. Kedu aha gị?
Afam bụ Achike.
Aha m bụ Tochukwu Ebon.
Aha m bụ Nkem Eze.
Aha bụ Ngakachi Yanya.
Okay.
Afam bụ Nena Ebono.
Aha m bụ Ebelebelomu.
Aha m bụ Chiamaka Anyama.
Kedu ebe isi?
Abụ m onye Imo State.
Abụ m onye Imo State. Abụ m onye Anambra State.
Abụ m onye Abia State.
Abụ onye Ebonyi State.
Abụ m onye Imo State.
I had a really good time. It was, I don't know, I didn't know what to come into initially, but then like there was a lot of people, everyone was really welcoming, and it's just like good vibes and just getting to learn like Igbo and just being able to take things away that I can actually implement and like talk to my mom in Igbo as well, so that was cool.
Okay.
It was amazing. When I came in, I saw the room full of people and I was very, very impressed. It was good to see that this many people want to learn about their heritage, their culture. And the teacher was amazing. Her name is it Ngozi? Nkechi, yeah, that's it. She's really, really good. Okay. I'm so glad I came and I'm very much looking forward to the rest of it.
Yeah, I thought it was great. Like the way the teacher taught was very engaging, and she was very organized as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I would also say that I really enjoyed the lesson. Like my friend said, it was very engaging. We were actively asked questions, had to fire back. If we did, as you would expect, not get it right, she was very encouraging. She kept on repeating what she was saying. So yeah, just very easy to follow and fun overall.
Okay. So staying with you, what made you want to learn Igbo now?
Well, I am an Igbo person, albeit I was born in England, and unfortunately, like a few of us, my parents didn't teach me the language. I didn't get it from relatives either. But you know, I am an Igbo person, and I'm proud to be Igbo. So I kind of feels like my duty really to learn the language, and then through that you can get a back door into the culture and really immerse yourself in it.
ICSN ndị mma ife unu na-emezi dị mma unu si n'Igbo ama nna ga-mepe skuulu ka mmadụ niile sụwa asụsụ Igbo Igbo ama nna ka anyị ga nu anyị ga nu o ka anyị ga nu anyị ga nu o ka anyị ga nu ka anyị ga nu o ka anyị ga nu ka anyị ga nu ka anyị ga ole ebe anyị na-aga anyị na-aga ICSN.
We at ARB Remit operate as payment specialists. Our focus currently revolves around enabling highly secure payments, and unlike banks, we charge the lowest possible fees shown upfront with no markdowns, and hidden costs, ensuring complete transparency for our customers, all the while ensuring faster transaction times through our technology solution. Simply log on and initiate your transaction to your beneficiary, and ARB Remit facilitates the payment to the recipient, meaning the currency never actually crosses borders. At this point in time, we are focused on payments solely to Nigeria, and therefore, logically, we are seeking to promote our services directly to Nigerians and the diaspora of individuals who would have an interest in using our service. Our marketing strategy is tailored solely on our customers' word of mouth and feedback. If any of our customer base considers our service as a fast, reliable, cheap tool to make transactions to Nigeria, then you can pass information regarding our service to others who could also benefit. Our aim is to provide a beneficial service to our customers, and in turn, we benefit from them. Our app is super easy to use. All you need to do is get started by signing up using the icon on the home screen. Just press Login Sign Up. Then you just need to insert your email and create a password. Provide us some basic information such as your name, address, and contact number. Once you have done this, you will receive an email and will be good to go. Using your new login ID, sign in and insert your beneficiary's details. You can even select our fee calculator option, which can give you an idea of the transaction fee, the exchange rate, and the amount the recipient will receive in Naira. We hope that you will join our family. ARB Remit, here when it matters.